Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for an extremely easy to make peanut butter chocolate banana bread. It is gluten-free and low in sugar. I got it from this Instagrammer named Mary Beth, so I will link her page in the description and I'll also link her blog post where I got this recipe from. It's super easy. So you're going to need 3 ripe bananas, even though mine weren't that ripe, rolled oats, maple syrup, 2 eggs, chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, creamy peanut butter, and then just a pan for your bread. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you're just going to take some sort of spray. This is just butter flavor, 0-calorie spray, and spray your pan with it. Now, this would only happen to me. I sprayed my pan and then found a dead spider in it. So I went ahead and cleaned that completely and then went and sprayed it again. Next, you're going to take your bananas and put them all into a bowl, and I just broke them up into pieces so that it would be easier for me to mush them up. Next, I'm going to use this smusher thingy. I don't even really know what this is for. Let me know. I used to use it to smash avocados to make guacamole, but I just used this to mush my bananas. It'll be easier for you to do it if yours are more ripe. Then you're going to take 2 cups of rolled oats and you're going to put that into your mix, and then I just took a spoon and I mixed everything up as I went along. The next thing you're going to do is take your 2 eggs and just put those into the bowl and mix it up together. The next thing we're going to do is take 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup, and we're going to be using this instead of just regular old sugar, and we're going to put that right into the mix and mix it up, and that's what's going to make the bread nice and extra sweet. So we're going to take 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. I could not open it for the life of me, but thank God I got it open. I see all the health bloggers use Crazy Richards, so that's what I was using. When you do use these natural peanut butters, you're going to have to stir them because they will separate. A good tip is to store your peanut butter upside down in the cabinet, and that way when you go to use it, all of that watery stuff will be at the bottom, so you won't have to mix it as much and it won't be at the top. So just pour this in and stir. Next, you're going to do 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Next, you're going to take 1 cup of chocolate chunks and mix those in, and you're going to get that ready to go into the pan. You can use chocolate chips if you want, like I said, but I did end up really liking the way that these were in the recipe. And then you just want to take some slices of banana and some extra chocolate chunks to garnish on top. It's going to make your bread look so Instagram worthy and even more delicious than it already is. Now the recipe called for this to cook for 30 minutes, but I did actually have to cook it for about a full hour to get it to be done. So just keep that in mind and check it with a toothpick. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more healthy food or, healthy-ish treat videos. And I will see you guys all next time.